So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in netsh space int space IP space reset with 2 T's cpop dot txt and click on enter. It's going to ask you to restart your computer, but don't restart it yet to complete the next steps in the video. So now I'm going to type in ipconfig space / renew and click on enter. Now we're going to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and click on enter again. Now we're going to type in ipconfig space / renew and click on enter again. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and then type in view network connections. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to right click on your network adapter and then click on properties and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now you want to make sure that use the following DNS server address has been selected and you want to type in 8888 and for the second line you want to type in 8844 and then click on OK. Now you want to select your network adapter and then click on diagnose this connection. If there's any problems, then it'll fix it for you. Now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.